This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Geyser updated. Begin by turning off the mains water and the Geyser electrical breaker immediately, then drain the old tank if replacing. Mount the Geyser on a solid wall or bracket with correct clearances, attach cold and hot lines using quality flexible connectors, fit the pressure relief valve, and seal all joints. Finally, restore water and power slowly while checking for leaks and correct thermostat function. Gathering the right tools and respecting safety keeps your project smooth and stress-free. Isolate both the water supply and electrical feed, then drain the tank into a bucket to avoid spills. Use PTFE tape on threaded joints and tighten with a pipe wrench, but avoid over-torquing. When mounting, check the wall can support the filled weight, and if unsure, ask for a second pair of hands or consult a licensed technician for wiring checks. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making useful content. Quick recommendation: try the Echo Dot smart speaker for hands-free timers and music while you work. It pairs well with DIY sessions and reminds you of steps. Check the description for the link and other deals to pick one up if you like the recommendation. Now let's get back to the video. Wiring safely and testing thoroughly will prevent faults and hazards later on. Confirm the unit is connected to the right breaker and that the earth bond is solid before energizing. Refill the tank fully and purge air from outlets, then restore power and set the thermostat to a safe recommended temperature. Check the pressure relief valve operation and look for any leaks or unusual noises, and run a final hot water test at a tap to verify performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.